Hey everybody, we are now live. I am Brian Lone. He is David Freiberger. This is Byron Dragway, day 3 of Drag Week 2022. It's funny, compound turbocharging is obviously something that's been around for a relatively long time in diesel performance, especially in tractor pulling. But it's not been maybe let's call it 10 years that it's really been, we've seen a lot more compounds on diesel drag racing vehicles over the course of that time. It's like it took a while for it to migrate over to this world, but boy, compound boosting these things, triple-digit numbers, crazy. If you like soot, you have come to the right place. The diesel 1945 Chevrolet, can be very quiet. Cummins diesel, muffled by the turbochargers, both of them.
861, yesterday's number with the truck.
Those massive Hoosier slicks, if he gets good bite, it will carry the front end. Having trouble getting the turbos to light off here. Not anymore. You can see that smoke clear up. I believe he's spraying this baby with nitrous oxide as well, as the diesel truck goes 873 with a 6 at 143 miles an hour, as Robert George goes 998 with a 6. Coughing his whole way down the racetrack. He's going to look like he's got to have a coal mine when he gets out of that thing. But the diesel truck, 873, 6, 143. And again, we talked about this yesterday with that telltale when the smoke begins to clear up going down course. A great indication that he's spraying nitrous in there to more complete combustion.